Look at my watermelons. They touching the ground almost. One is, and one is still hanging a little bit, but he's gonna eventually get on the ground. I'm put some fabric down to help protect them so they can grow on this fabric instead of growing on the grass and in the dirt. I see a lot of blooms on them. Come on, watermelon. Grow big for us. I see another watermelon. Look at my watermelon. Where you at? Look at him. Look at him. He getting big. Okay, watermelon. Grow big for us. Grow big for us. You're looking nice. Oh, look at you. Look at you, watermelon. Yes, look at my watermelon growing big.